Hey, welcome to a new video. In this video we will show you a full detail and paint correction on BMW i8, and we finished the Alfa Romeo Mito for Maserati. So first we're going to start with the BMW i8 that came in. It looked pretty good. It had a lot of scratches and swirls, especially on the high gloss black parts. I'll go on washing and prepping this 911. You guys enjoy the footage on the BMW. So the owner of the BMW i8 picked up the car and he was very happy with it. We were also very happy. We're the owners of the Alfa Romeo Mito for Maserati. Special car, 1 out of 100. Have fun with that video also. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna end it right here, but I'm going to hand it over to Youri, because Youri did a very special project on a Malibu Wake Boat. Enjoy.
So before I want to tell you more about the boat behind me, I really want to know if you do like content like this, because it's a detailing channel, it's wrapping, because Presto Dimensions and Ride and Shine Detailing are working really well together. We're not doing only PPF, and we love to show you more of the custom installation, the design work, the graphics, the color change on vehicles. But would you like it? Please let us know in the comments down below. So when the boat came in, it wasn't really bad, looked pretty okay, but it was just a little bit boring. So the client wanted the custom boat wrap. He asked me, can you do something with a girl with a gun in their hand, a skull, some palm trees, and he wanted a lot of blue tones in it. So I designed it myself. After that I printed on our big format printer upstairs. Then we laminated the print against scratches and UV. And then we installed it all indoors, so quality check from beginning to end. And well, it looked really good now. So see the footage and let us know what you think about it. Leave it down below in the comments.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
So I hope you guys like everything in this video. I will go on with the preparation for the Ferrari, which you've seen downstairs in the shop. So the Ferrari will be another full PPF custom install. If you want to see that, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys next week.